Why create a constitutional fight where there doesn't need to be one?
Religious groups say the National Affordable Care Act violates their fundamental constitutional right. Good evening and welcome to 22 News at 11. I'm Alicia Rodriguez. The local diocese is speaking out tonight against certain requirements of the new Affordable Care Act. 22 News reporter Eugene Cho found out why religious organizations say some provisions of the health care law violate their rights.
The Diocese of Springfield spokesman Mark Dupont said the Catholic Church supports providing health care, but the diocese disagrees with one requirement in the National Health Care Act. Open enrollment under the Affordable Care Act begins Tuesday, October 1st. But the Diocese of Springfield believes the National Health Care Law lacks an exemption policy that protects the Catholic Church's right to freedom of religion.
There are provisions there which would really force a violation of our constitutional right. And that's just simply ridiculous. That's government now getting into a church and saying, well, this is what is worship and this isn't worship.
The diocese is talking about the required coverage of contraceptive methods and counseling. Under the Massachusetts healthcare reform law, if religious employers are self-insured, they can opt out of paying for services and treatments that are against their religious beliefs. The Federal Health Care Act does not offer any opt-out options to self-insured religious employers.
I mean, I understand their points, but it's a broader base that they're serving. It's a woman's right, not a political or a religious.
But some people told 22 News if the state law has been effective with the exemption policy, the federal law should include it as well.
You can reverse the other way in terms of, people forcing religion. Everyone believes something different, so you can't really blanket everything.
Dupont said the diocese wants the federal government to let self-insured companies opt out of paying for contraceptive coverage as well. In fact, several religious groups have already filed complaints. Live in Springfield, Eugene Cho, 22 News.